All right, so let's go ahead and let's get acquainted now. So as I mentioned, I am Tiffany, one of the co-founders of CircleUp Education, and I'm also going to be the one who is going to be guiding you through your design guide walkthrough. So who is CircleUp Education? CircleUp Education is a San Francisco Bay Area-based social enterprise, which means we're a business with a social mission. And what we do is we provide training, coaching, and consulting to cities, schools, nonprofits, businesses, tech companies, you name it, across the nation around these 5 areas in providing training, coaching, and consulting in lawful diversity, equity, and inclusion, meaning all of the diversity and inclusion support that we provide is in compliance with the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and the principles of meritocracy and equal opportunity. We also provide restorative practices, training and implementation, professional and skill development, HR, DEI, and leadership consulting, as well as cultural competency 2.0. Now let's talk a little bit about the logistics of this course, the structure of it, and also what to expect. So this course was designed to be a practical walkthrough of how to use our CircleCraft design guide. So perhaps you have our design guide already or you're interested in getting it. This course is designed to walk you through how to use the design guide, or if you've already taken one of our courses on how to CircleCraft, this is going to be a wonderful refresher for you. Or if you've recently purchased our CircleCraft design guide and want to learn how to use it, this is the perfect companion because we walk through a basic introduction to restorative justice and restorative practices, but I also personally walk you through how to use each one of the steps in the design guide to design a community agreements, values exploration, team building, and also a discussion circle. So given that this is a design guide walkthrough, for this course you will need a couple of key materials. The first thing that you'll need is your CircleCraft design guide. So whether you have this version or a different version, not to worry, as long as you have one of our design guides, this course companion is going to be relevant to walking you through the steps on how to use it. Additionally, you'll also need some circle planning sheets. So if you don't have physical copies like this, not to worry. Within the lessons, there are going to be links for you to get the downloadable and printable versions of the circle planning sheets. And given that this is a resource course, we want you to be able to click through the different topics and lessons based on what your needs are. So maybe you want just a refresher on how to design team building circles, you can go directly into that lesson. Or maybe you wanted a refresher on what are restorative practices and restorative justice. You can go into that brief introduction right away. So whatever it is that you need, you're welcome to click through it because this is meant to be a resource for you. And also, if you want to take the course all the way through from beginning to end, you can expect for it to be about 30 to 45 minutes through. So here we are with the logistics. Now let's go ahead and let's dive in.